if you need to convert a Word file to a PDF file, here's how to do it. If you Google it, you'll get loads of search results for online Word to PDF converters or converters that you can download. You don't need any of those. All we need is to open our Word document, and we're going to go to File, Save As, and here you'll see we've got our document name, marketing plan, and by default the type is Word document. Just drop that down. You've got a bunch of other options including PDF. Let's hit save. It's going to save to our desktop. And there we have it. Minimize our Word document. Here we have our marketing plan in PDF. Now, if you haven't got a Word or an Office subscription, don't worry. There's still a free way to do it using Word. If you head to your internet browser and go to office.com, there's an option here to sign up for the free version of Microsoft 365. And there's an online version of all the Office programs, including Word, where you can do exactly what we just did. You can open that Word file, save as, and download a PDF version. Here's an extra tip that you might find helpful. When you're saving your Word document, you go to File, Save As, change it to PDF, click More Options, and Options here. We can actually select to PDF or create a PDF document of specific pages. Maybe we only want to create a PDF document of pages 2 onwards, or just page 2 on its own. And we can do that right here. Just select page 2 and that'll create a separate file. That's sometimes really handy. You'll also see an option to create bookmarks in the PDF document based on the headings or the word bookmarks. That can be really helpful too. So there you have it, converting a Word file to PDF at no cost.